Hi, my name is Jugalmer and today I'll be doing data mining using SAS Enterprise Miner tool. So I will be doing the data mining on one of the public data sets from UCI machine learning repository. Um, so here basically I'll try to find out the quality of the red wine based on the independent variables which are fixed acidity, volatile acidity, and like as you can see here there are 11 independent variables and my dependent variable is quality. So let's start with the SAS Miner tool. So my SAS Enterprise Miner tool has started. So first I need to create a new project. So I'll click on new project and click next. So now you can see that my new project has been created named review. So I'll right click on the diagram. I'll select create diagram and give the name of the diagram. Now I need to import the red wine dataset into the SAS Enterprise Miner. So I need to select file import and I need to track this on the white screen. Icon has been created. So I need to import the wine dataset into the SAS Miner tool. So firstly, I'll just show you the dataset which I'll be using on the tool. So from the website, I got the unformatted raw dataset, which is this one. So I formatted this dataset and it looks something like this. So I'll be using this dataset onto the SAS Miner tool. So let's go back to the tool. Um, I click on the import file. So now the dataset has been imported. So now I will edit the variables in the dataset. So I'll click on edit variables. And as I told you that my dependent variable would be quality and the other 11 variables would be independent variables. So I'll select this as my target variable. Okay. And now you could change the roles and the levels of the variables of the dataset. I'll keep them as it is and I will click on OK. So my next step is to select the Stat Explorer node. So I will click on Explore. I will go for Stat Explorer node. I'll drag this over here and I will connect these two nodes. Now I will run these and see if it's getting executed properly or not. So the run has been successful. So the next is to create a data partition node. So for that, I'll go into the sample tab and I'll click on data partition and I'll drag it down here. I'll connect the node and basically data partition is to create the testing, training, validation. So I'll give different values in the training, validation and testing. So I'll give 70 over here, 20 in the validation and 10 in testing. It is basically good to give more value in training and less value in validation and testing. So now I will be running the data partition node. So now we will be looking at the different models of the data set. So now we will be creating the decision tree for the data set. So for that, I'll go into the model section and click and drag the decision tree node over here. Now as you can see here on the left hand side, you could change the values over here to make the decision tree how you want to look, how you want it to look like. And you can see over here there are different values for maximum branch, maximum depth. So basically maximum branch is how the decision tree is split. The maximum depth indicates the level of the decision tree, how till what level the decision tree is made. So we will increase the values over here. Basically the larger the value it is, the more bigger the decision tree is. And so basically the leaf size decides how bigger the decision tree should look like. So I think I'll make it 10. And so let's run the decision tree. Okay, so the result of the decision tree node is here. And so this is the decision tree of the data set. So the first split was made based on the alcohol variable. Then the next split was made on the volatile acidity. Then the next was for sulfates and citric acid and so on. So this is how the decision tree of the dataset looks like. Okay. So you can also create a decision tree which is interactive. So now I will be doing the neural network node. So for that I need to go into the model section and select neural network and drag it over here. Okay, so here is my neural network node. Now I'll create a node from control point to the neural network. Okay, so now in neural network, as you can see here, there are many properties. So in this I will go into the network property. So as you can see, these are the different variables in the network option. So in the architecture we'll keep the multi-layer perception. And as you can see over here, the number of hidden units. So this shows the complexity of the neural network. So I'll be making this as 4. And I'll be keeping the other values as it is, and I'll click on OK. So now I will go into the optimization. So here I'll be looking for the training techniques, and I will go for the backprop. And as you can see over here, the maximum iterations and maximum time. So basically the neural network takes a lot of time to run the model. So for that instance I'll be reducing the maximum iterations to 25 and my maximum time to say 30 minutes. So I hope that my neural network runs soon. And I'll keep the other values as it is. So you can change these values for the accuracy of the neural network, but I'll keep them as it is. And I'll click on OK, and I'll run the neural network. Okay, so I have the results right now. Okay, so right here you can see the visualization chart between the target values and the predicted values. And right here, this is the output screen of the neural network. Okay, so this was my hands-on with the SAS Enterprise Miner, and I hope that you have liked it. Thank you.